to my channel. Right now we're about to go into Target. We're gonna go school supply shopping, so hopefully we don't embarrass ourselves, you know, vlogging, because nobody vlogs here. But you guys probably remember my cousin Breena from last year and from some of my videos, and this is my little cousin Madison too. So we're all gonna go school supply shopping,
and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Now we matter.
Guys, oh my gosh, they have a freaking Harry Potter section at this Target. Oh my god, I'm freaking. The kids of today don't like Harry Potter. Somebody help. I'm not related to these people. I'm not related, no. Found this portfolio and it's marble, so we were thinking that that's pretty cool. And it has 13 pockets. I haven't had one of these since I was like in the 5th grade, but I think this will be pretty cool because I don't want to get a million thousand folders, so we're just gonna get this. Okay. Backpack. Oh my gosh. Look at this Ziploc thing.
You like this? Oh, that.
You like this one?
Yeah, I do. That one. I think that's pretty good.
But is it big enough for you?
This is like humongous.
You don't look that happy about it.
Yeah, you're pretty sad. I want to look at other choices. Maybe.
Okay, that's a maybe. So I'm not actually looking for a backpack for this year because I have my Adidas one from last year. I'll insert it right here if you guys don't remember it. Look at this mermaid backpack. Honestly, who said mermaids are just for children? Like, look how cute that is. It's so sparkly.
Really cute. I like that.
I actually really like this one.
Look at this.
Madison, why are you so stressed? Look how stressed she seems.
She's very stressed. I don't know backpack. I think I'm gonna get the other one, but that was 40 bucks.
Oh, that's really cute.
13 bucks. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. No. Whoa there, buddy. Whoa there, buddy. It comes with a container. Babe, what's that? I don't know what this is. It's broken? It's broken. I don't think. Oh, no. Oh, it's
a separator.
It's a divider.
I love how shook you guys are right now.
I'm so shook, quaking in my boots.
I'm quaking.
Okay, so Maddie wants to get this one, and then she wants to get it to match her pink lunchbox. And
Let's see them together.
Super cute.
Love that.
Comment down below.
We love this.
She's a girl boss. Yeah.
Okay, so this is where I thrive. The planners.
Oh my god, I need this. Well, actually, I don't, but I want.
Wait, show us the front. You totally got this. And it's a pineapple. Guys, so I'm not sure if I should do the pineapple one that says you got this, because look how cute these little rings are. Do you think this one?
I think
she's just saying in general I have this. But I also like this one that says pencil it in. So I don't know. Which one do you guys like better?
I think pineapple.
Pineapple? What do you guys think?
I think, that's hard. Maybe the pineapple, but like, if you got the pencil one too, that would also be cute. Like,
I think I'm gonna go with the pineapple one.
Yeah.
But I think I need a different one because this one looks like it's closed. Like, I want a fresh new one. Fresh.
We understand.
Okay, I'm
I'm getting this. Yeah, I'm getting this.
Locker accessory kit. Yep. This is everything her desires. A mirror, a little whiteboard.
How about this disco ball?
Right.
Okay, I love the disco ball for you.
I don't
just get one. Honestly,
Look at this. This is a light, a prism light, and it lights.
I want that. No, because like, look, that's gold and that's gold.
That'd be so cute.
buddy.
Okay, we gotta get this one.
We gotta get this and this.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It's decided.
Got my lockup stuff. Got my lockup stuff. That was easy.
So basically, like, this is like the Madison School Supply shopping haul.
Yep.
And Breena's
here.
Okay, guys, we found this notebook. It says fearlessly female. Look at that. That is super cute. Whoa. Okay, but I think I need like four. We gotta get 4. So this is for 1.
That's
Look at that.
cute.
There's unicorns on top. There's mermaids on top of unicorns, and then there's mermaids on top of pineapples. So basically, everything that's in right now is like what we have over here, and it is college ruled. Love that. Okay, so we're thinking about this one. This is a maybe, but
Yes.
like, it's cardboard in the back, so we don't know about that.
Oh, let me see. Oh, okay. Don't get
Weird,
it.
but we're still gonna card it.
Okay, code it.
Add to cart.
Add to code.
This one is kind of cool, but not really. It has bananas and it says they're talking. They say OMG and LOL.
Let's see that.
BRB.
Zoom in.
Do we like this or no? Or is this too weird?
No, I like
I love that.
I would get it.
I would get that, yes.
Really?
I would get it. No, and it's a sticker sheet included.
get it. Just get it. Just get it. Just get it. Add to cart. Let's go.
Yes.
Okay. This one or this one? This one or
Oh, that one. I like pink better.
Comment down below, guys.
yeah. I think it's this one.
Yeah, that one. Let's do this.
It is weird, but
You baked me crazy. And then look, it's a little cupcake. And then this one says cool beans.
clear means.
And then tough cookie. I got some of these last year and they were super cute. But I don't know if I need folders this year. Should I do some folders, guys?
Yes.
I never need anything Madison, I feel like, anymore.
But if you guys want to see what folders or what school supplies Emily got last year, make sure you guys go check out that video.
Love that. Thanks for promoting, Breena.
You're welcome.
So I'm going to get this mint green one and this black one, both with the gold polka dots, because I really like these folders.
She's so chic. We love that.
This one matches her shirt. Oh
Oh
my.
yeah. Oh my god.
Just carry that shirt, carry that folder around you everywhere when you're wearing that shirt. If you're not wearing that shirt, get rid of it. Pitch it.
This is my face now.
3 folders because I'm extra, and even though I got that portfolio thingy, we still need folders because they're super cute. Like, what? Look at that. It's literally mermaid tails with sparkles. We love that. And then we're also gonna copy Madison and get the black with the gold polka dots because that's super chic too. Like, why not? Don't even overread stuff. And then this one says tough cookie, and I like to think I'm a tough cookie, so we just want to go with my aesthetic. Guys, I'm freaking shook right now. Do you guys want to know why? Because look at this pencil case. Look at that. It literally has a popsicle handle.
I want this.
Or ice cream. This ice cream handle.
Popsicle.
Should I get this
Yeah.
instead of the other one?
Yes.
Yes.
100%. Like, look at some of these. We have, this is like a boat, right? Okay. We have the cutest one right here, which is the popsicle sticker. Popsicle ice cream. Oh my god, why can't I see that? This is like a cactus. Not as cute. But then this is also pretty cute. And Madison, this is like the hard one that you like.
Yeah. I like this one.
Madison needs 100 sheet notebook, and we've been looking, and this is the one that she's decided on.
Yes.
Yeah. She thought that there's gonna be no cute College World ones, and look what we got. That's super cute. Okay, we love that.
I love it.
Okay, so what's cuter? This expanding folder or this one? I'm kind of leaning towards this one just because it kind of looks like marble ice cream. We love that. But this also looks like a popsicle. We love that. We just love it all, so we don't really know.
Horizontal.
No, that's vertical. This is vertical. That's horizontal.
I thought you wanted.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Breena's. I'm so sorry,
Yeah.
Madison.
It's okay.
It's okay, you know what? It's been a really good run for this. We're gonna say goodbye. Alright, this is like what we got so far for school supplies. I think this is like gonna be pretty much it though. Sorry, the stores. Give me the little stuff. Yep, there we go. Just checking out. Checking out. My daddy got me good. What's this one? Backing up.
I have no idea what that song is.
Guys, you'll remember it. Backing up. Remember that news report?
Back it up. My dad.
Pretty much all of this stuff is Madison's.
Oh yeah, actually pretty much. Did you get everything that you needed?
I didn't really need
Yours
anything.
was that?
Okay, so we went with the marble one. Yes, we did.
I really like that one.
Yeah, me too. And then our 3 folders.
Super cute.
I didn't even need folders, I don't think. But you know,
Eh.
sometimes we do need folders.
And just extra.
So as you guys probably tell, it's raining outside. So we hauled our butts into the car and now we're gonna leave. So we hope you guys enjoyed our back to school haul today. And if you guys liked it, you guys know what to do. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!